ever imagined your home adjusting its temperature all by itself, saving energy while keeping you perfectly comfortable? That future is now. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're exploring the top 5 smart thermostats for home that redefine comfort and control. Stay tuned and check the links in the description below. The number 5 product on our list is Honeywell Home Smart Thermostat. Smart homes deserve smart control, and this thermostat truly feels like the brain of your home's comfort system. The Honeywell Home Smart Thermostat blends intelligence, design, and practicality beautifully. From its crisp digital display to Wi-Fi connectivity and Matter certification, it syncs effortlessly with Alexa, Google, and Apple HomeKit for seamless automation. Setup feels intuitive, and the scheduling flexibility fits every lifestyle, whether you're at work, asleep, or away. Energy savings are real thanks to its auto-away and adaptive temperature features, helping you stay cozy while cutting down bills. Compared to others in its class, it offers a balance of tech and simplicity that's hard to beat. For homeowners who value smart efficiency and peace of mind, this thermostat delivers calm, connected comfort. At number 4 is Vine Smart Thermostat. Finding the right balance between temperature and humidity can completely transform your home's comfort, and this stainless steel humidifier pairs perfectly with today's smart thermostats. Its warm mist feels pure and soothing, instantly relieving dry air that even advanced heating systems can't fully fix. The 304 steel build keeps it hygienic, durable, and easy to clean, while the smart auto humidity control works like a companion to intelligent thermostats, maintaining consistent comfort without constant adjustment. The quiet sleep mode and sleek LED display add modern elegance to any room, complementing connected home setups beautifully. Compared to others, it feels smarter, safer, and genuinely designed for real family. It's a thoughtful choice for anyone upgrading to a cleaner, more balanced home environment that feels naturally fresh, cozy, and intelligently managed every single day. The third one on our list is ecobee Smart Thermostat. Home comfort isn't just about temperature, it's about intelligence, and this smart thermostat truly feels alive in your space. It learns your schedule, senses when you're away, and quietly adjusts the climate to save energy without you lifting a finger. The sleek touchscreen and intuitive app make controlling your environment feel effortless, while its compatibility with Alexa, Google, and Apple HomeKit brings complete voice control convenience. Compared to others in its category, its Eco Plus features stand out, monitoring humidity, optimizing costs, and preheating or cooling when energy rates are lower. Setup is surprisingly simple, even for first-time users. It's a thoughtful balance of design, smart performance, and long-term savings, perfect for anyone who wants a connected, efficient home that feels cozy, modern, and genuinely smarter every single day. Number 2 is Emerson Smart Thermostat. Sometimes the smartest upgrades are the ones that feel instantly familiar, and this smart thermostat nails that balance beautifully. It looks simple, installs in minutes, yet delivers powerful automation that quietly transforms your home's comfort. The energy-saving features adapt to your schedule, trimming HVAC costs without sacrificing warmth or coolness. What stands out most is its privacy-focused design. Your data stays yours, giving real peace of mind in a connected world. Compared to sleeker but complex models, this one feels practical and refreshingly easy to use, perfect for families or homeowners who want reliable, smart control without the learning curve. Add in maintenance alerts and remote access through the app, and you've got a thermostat that's efficient, trustworthy, and built for real everyday living comfort. Now, moving to the last one is Google Smart Thermostat. Comfort meets intelligence in a way that feels almost effortless with this sleek, smart thermostat. It doesn't just control your home's temperature, it learns how you live. The moment you step out, it automatically turns down to save energy, and when you return, it welcomes you to the perfect climate. The design is minimalist yet striking, blending into any modern home. Setup through the Google Home app is quick, intuitive, and remote control makes temperature adjustments feel futuristic. Compared to other models, this one focuses on simplicity and efficiency rather than complexity, ideal for families who value ease and savings. With its smart energy insights and maintenance alerts, it quietly keeps your comfort balanced and your bills low. A subtle, intelligent companion that makes everyday living feel smart. Among all the winner is ecobee Smart Thermostat. It learns your habits, balances comfort and efficiency, and even senses occupancy to reduce energy costs intelligently. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 smart thermostats for home. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.